So look at this. In CSMA-CD network, if it is running at 1 Gbps, which means the bandwidth given is 1 Gbps, and it is running over a 1 kilometer cable. So the length of the LAN is 1 kilometer and the bandwidth is 1 Gbps is given. So it is better you write down whatever is given. So they are saying that bandwidth is 1 Gbps. So what is 1 Gbps? 10 power 9 bits per second, right? M is 10 power 6, and distance. The distance of the LAN is 1 kilometer, which means 1000 meters with no repeaters. So there are no repeaters. The signal speed is 2 lakh kilometers per second, which means they are saying that velocity of the signal is 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Then what is the minimum frame size? Then what is the minimum frame size that we could give is L is greater than or equal to 2 into TP into bandwidth. So this is the formula, right? Now you can substitute all the values, given values there, and you could get what is the minimum length of the packet. So minimum length of the frame is L is greater than or equal to 2 into TP. TP is D by V into bandwidth, which means L is greater than or equal to 2 into distance is 2 into 10 power 8. Oh sorry, distance is 1 kilometer, right? Distance is 1 kilometer, which means 1000 divided by velocity is 2 into 10 power 8 and bandwidth is 10 power 9. Therefore it is 2 into 10 power 12 divided by 2 into 10 power 12 divided by 2 into 10 power 8. So if you solve it, you can solve it. It is just 10,000 bits. It is straightforward question. We have already seen many questions of this model, right?